There we go.
Okay. Does it look good, like framing wise?
Yeah, it's up to you. Like, it starts right here. Is that fine?
It starts right here?
Yeah. You get in the shot?
You stand in for me real quick. Oh, Jesus, you're right. Yeah, honestly, that's perfect. Yeah, let's do it.
Action.
You're rolling? You're rolling? Okay. I'm Buh'syphillis Fisher. And this evening I'm going to instruct you on how to be a motorcyclist in the state of Arkansas and all resounding states. I don't actually have a motorcycle on me to do a demonstration. However, I'm going to inform you of all the necessary abilities you must attribute to riding a six-shift motorcycle. So, just come with me on a journey to riding with freedom. All right, here we go.
And cut.
Cut.